那我们接下来要请我们联合会的会长李嘉玲来致辞。Next, we are going to have the president of the Taiwanese Federation of Northern America to say a few words for us.
Thank you very much. Hello, everybody. Mayor Tran, Vice Mayor Greeley, Vice Mayor Paul, Council Member Lewis, Mr. Donahue of Dave Cortez Office, President of Santa Clara County Board of Supervisor, and all the distinguished guests, and everybody else, ladies and gentlemen, 各位乡亲朋友，大家早安，大家好，新年恭喜 ，Happy New Year, Happy Lunar New Year. Actually, Lunar New Year Day is exactly 1 week from today, and in Taiwan we celebrate our Lunar New Year's with family and close friends traditionally. And here in the United States, we do the same. Okay, we are together with our big family. This is our big family and our close friends, and we are so happy about it. 各位乡亲是大家好，咱拢知影，咱伫台湾这个过农历的新年是咱上最重要一当内底上最重要的日子。咱和咱的家庭、我们的家庭、我们的最要好的朋友，大家聚集在一起。所以说，我们在美国做同样的事情这个就是我们的大家庭，我们北加州台湾乡亲的大家庭，也是我们最紧密的朋友。2017 is a very special year. In Taiwan, President Ing-wen Tsai just started his new government, and we wish his administration the best for the good of our people. And also in the United States, although we are overseas, but we will express our opinions and suggestions to her administration and for the good of Taiwanese people. 咱拢知影，2017是一个足特殊的年，一个年吼。所以讲，咱呢，伫台湾有咱蔡英文总统打开始伊的新政府，咱对伊的政府呢，表达咱最大的迄个支持，而且呢，咱会用各种管道来表示，来和建言，来表示咱对咱台湾国土的一个爱护的心。And in U.S., we also have a new government just inaugurated, a new administration just inaugurated into the new government yesterday, and wish the new administration the best as well. 在美国，咱的美国政府打开始一个新气象，对不对？新的政府的一个新的开始，咱有来祝福咱这个新的政府，会当带领咱的人民建设一个和谐、幸福繁荣的社会。你看这个好不好？And Taiwanese American Federation of Northern California is in its 44th year. Okay, we have been that long, and we are the largest Taiwanese American community association in Northern California, and we are getting stronger. We actually are strongest than ever. And we will work together with the other Taiwanese American society organizations all across the United States, and we also will work together with our young generation Taiwanese American. And most of all, we also would like to work together and contribute to our local community. 咱北加州台湾东乡联合会是咱地域性地域性的一个足大的这个协会。咱已经44档的历史啊，今年呢，咱做个工作，而且咱对咱未来有正大的期待。咱会继续和咱北美洲其他的台湾人的社团合作，做更加迄个紧密的这个合作甲活动。而且呢，咱嘛会和咱的第二代做更加，咱今日有本来迄个第二代少年的和他们斗阵，我们要跟他们做更紧密、更好的合作。然后呢，最重要一点，我们希望我们跟我们的local 的 community 能够更紧密的结合。我们要把我们的资源，我们的这个台美人的热情呢，能够回馈给我们当地美国的社会。这也是我们北加州台湾同乡会对于未来从现在开始的一个期待。那最重要的就是说，well, it's the new year. It's a happy moment. So I like to wish everybody a happy and prosperous and healthy new year. 感谢大家，今仔个欢喜，大家会当斗阵做伙来庆祝咱2017年台湾农业的这个新年。希望大家身体健康，家庭圆满，万事如意。咱台湾、咱美国会当更加繁荣，更加变做一个上好的所在。感谢。
多谢咱李会长搁刷落来咱会长要来感谢咱台湾东乡联合会的一寡干部甲理事。
北加州台湾东乡联合会前任的会长要甲奖状颁给林正元先生会长，多谢你。
感谢您